Look what showed up in the mail today, guys. Let's open this box and see what we got from Rivian. Alright, I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. Oh, a box within a box. Here it is. It's finally here, the charger. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what's in here. Got an installation guide. It's wrapped nicely. It's smaller than what I was expecting, but maybe that's a good thing. Alright, here it is. The Rivian Charger. I'm gonna take it out, see what else is in this box. It's nicely wrapped. So it's just a long cable. There's a connector. And let's see what we got here. Alright, this is the back panel that goes against the wall, and then you hang the charger to it. That's it. Keep watching. We'll have more videos.